As you step into the world of cloud observability, you need to know not just what Azure Monitor does, but also where the data comes from. Think of Azure Monitor as the central hub that collects signals from a wide variety of sources, processes them, and lets you act on insights to keep your environment healthy. Now, look at the diagram in front of you. On the left, you will see the target resources. These are the log sources that Azure Monitor listens to. Let's walk through them. Application includes anything instrumented with SDKs like Application Insights. It gives you deep telemetry such as request rates, response times, exceptions, and more. When it comes to operating system, Azure Monitor can collect performance counters, event logs, and custom log files from Windows or Linux VMs using the Log Analytics agent. Azure resources are your virtual machines, storage accounts, databases, and web apps. They generate both metrics and platform logs. Azure subscription level logs include service health, resource changes, role assignments, and policy changes. These are usually captured in activity logs. Azure Tenant includes identity level data like Microsoft Entra ID logs. It's especially valuable for monitoring sign-in activity and role-based access control. Using custom sources, you can extend Azure Monitor to collect logs from your own systems using the REST API, custom agents, or diagnostic settings. Metrics are numeric, lightweight data points captured at high frequency, like CPU usage, disk I/O. Logs are richer, structured records that include diagnostics, events, and traces. But here's something you must remember. Azure Monitor does not collect all logs by default. You must configure diagnostic settings to forward platform logs and metrics to destinations like Log Analytics Workspace, Storage Account, Event Hubs. Without that configuration, only a subset of logs such as activity logs are retained automatically. Let's talk about how long your data sticks around. Metrics, stored for 93 days by default. Activity logs, retained for 90 days automatically. Log Analytics logs, stored for 30 days by default, but you can increase this up to 2 years or more with a retention policy at additional cost. So if you're serious about analytics, forensics, or compliance, you'll want to configure custom retention and ensure the right logs are being collected and retained properly. So, what's your key takeaway? You're in control. Azure Monitor doesn't overload you with all data by default. It lets you decide what to collect and for how long. Whether it's an app crash, a suspicious login, or a VM running hot, the first step is ensuring the right log sources are connected and properly configured. By understanding these target resources and how Azure Monitor treats metrics versus logs, you're setting up your environment for better performance, faster troubleshooting, and smarter alerting.